Hi friends, so in this section I will be showing how to create a load balancer on Azure. So I have already created two instances as you can see here, instance 1 and instance 2. So what I'm going to do is I will be configuring a load balancer for these two instances. In order to do that, let me access Azure all services and the networking section. Select load balancer. So here just click on create. I will choose in free trial. The group will be selected learn from skill, which is already created in my account. So I will be mentioning a name for my load balancer, which will be J Azure load. So I will be enabling public access. SQ will be standard, which will support TCP and HTTP connection. And tier selector will be regional. So public IP address will be creating and the public address will be created. So a name need to be mentioned. It will be J in the section. Once that is done, IP address selector will be static. IPv6 address will be no. So just click on either Microsoft Network or Internet, anyone as you prefer. In my case, I will choose Internet. Preview and create. So just wait for a couple of minutes so that it will complete. So once this validation gets passed, click on create. It will take a few minutes. So once that is done, you can see that deployment is in progress. Just wait for it to get complete. So you can see that the creation is happening. So your deployment is completed. So click to go to resource. You can see that one load balancer is created. Now we have to assign this two instance to our load balancer. So just click on front-end IP configuration. Either load balance front-end is mentioned here. This will be the load balancer and IP address. Once that is done, just see okay, everything looks okay. IP address public, okay, all looks okay. Once that is done, select backend pool, add, click on add option. Assign a name, Jane, this backend virtual network selector will be learn from skill, which is already created in my network. So IPv4 option will be selected. So here we have to add the virtual machines. Just click on add option, select the two virtual machines, click add. Finally, here click add. Just wait for a few minutes. So once that is done, just create a help prop. Click on help prop. Click on add. Help prop name will be share test prop. I will be using TCP because I will choose a standard one. So TCP and HTTP connection is allowed in my load balancer. In my case, I will be choosing TCP. Port choose will be 80, and interval every 5 seconds we will check for the port 80 connection status. If more than 2, unhealth is reported, failure is reported. The virtual machine will be considered as unhealthy. You see here. So once that is done, click on add. Just wait for a second. Once that is done, just click on, sorry, once that is done, just click on load balancing rule, add no rule, check this, check this, load rule, I'll select IPv4, front end IP select will be load balancer IP, protocol will be TCP, port selector will be 80, backend port will be 80, backend port will be gentest, head probe will be gentest probe. So section resist select as none, TCP resist is selected as disabled, routing IP also default. Once that is done, click on add. Just wait for a few seconds. Once that is done, we can click on overview. Just copy the load balancer IP. So let us try to access it and see if our load balancer is working or not. So let's try to see that load balancer is working correctly. me see if the load balancer is working correctly. Let me see if we stop the one virtual machine. For example, let me stop this one. Okay, now the install is stopped. Let me see how my load balance is working. You can see that it suddenly switched to the second server. So in our case, the load balancer is working correctly. Let me try to start this one and see. Just wait for a few seconds. It will take a couple of minutes. Just wait. So now the instance is running. Let me see my load balance. So from this, we can make sure that our load balancer is working correctly.